Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike React Ace Tour. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike React Ace Tour women's golf shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 3.5, US size 6, EU size 36.5, and this pair is in the sale Fusion Red, White, Dark Beetroot colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside and popping out the literature and setting that on the tabletop and giving you once again a direct look inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike React Ace Tour, and just closing the box back up as we focus on the left shoe first. Just setting the box to the side. And giving you a 360 look or rotation, so you have a full and complete view of this women's golf shoe. And just setting the shoe down as we take a look at the included literature or booklet. And just opening it up to give you a look at the contents. So it does span several panels and in various languages. So just giving you a look at the English panel, and on the reverse side as well. So this shoe does come with a 2-year waterproof warranty. And just setting that packet to the side and going back to the Nike React Ace Tour in the sale Fusion Red, White, Dark Beetroot colorway. And taking some close-up looks at the shoe, you can see that it does have a full mudguard wrap right throughout the shoe, and taking a look at the back as well to give you some idea of its overall shape and silhouette. And you can see that the mudguard does continue right throughout the entire golf shoe to provide that waterproof protection. And taking a quick look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, you can see that it does have those blade-like traction patterns. And taking a look from the front or tip of the shoe to the back, up close, and we can see through the translucent mudguard the FlyEase lacing system, and at the top just moving the tags out of the way so you can see the details with that quick FlyEase lacing system. And of course the tongue with that Nike swoosh. And just taking a look around the ankle and heel collar of this Nike React Ace Tour. So let's take a look at the back of the tongue. So the tongue is very plushly padded, as you can see. As we look at the back, directly at the tongue, there is a Nike label. And of course, let's remove the stuffing in the shoe so we have a clearer look inside of it. So taking a look directly inside the shoe and its labels and details, and of course the ankle and heel padding as well. So you can see it does have some light to medium padding around the ankle. However, towards the heel area, very thickly padded, as you can see. It does have that exaggerated lip towards the end. That might serve as a pull tab as well. And taking a look at the tags that's attached to the golf shoe, you can see that one tag does advertise the FlyEase lacing system, and the other tag is a Nike golf tag advertising its waterproofness. So it does come with that 2-year waterproof warranty. So giving you a further out look at this Nike React Ace Tour women's golf shoe. And on the inner side as well, you can see the FlyEase removable label right there. With the FlyEase lacing system, so giving you a look right there, top down. And to give you some idea of this waterproof wrapping of the mudguard that extends towards a more textured cover. So right there you can see the details and the overall materials and construction of this Nike React Ace Tour. And of course, taking a look at the side, we can see it does have the Nike React foam for its midsole cushioning, providing lightweight cushioning right throughout. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see those ridge-like traction pattern around the main contact patches of the sole, around the edges and towards the heel of the shoe. And right there you can see the depth or protrusions of those blade-like extensions. And to give you some idea of the softness, firmness, and overall texture and grip of the sole, just pulling or dragging my index finger along its surface right there, giving you a look at that overall design for its traction pattern with that blade-like tread. And now let's do a flexibility and bend test and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the movement and how the shoe responds with that twisting, flexing, and bending. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and moving the box back in view. Let's pop out the right shoe from the shoebox. So this time looking at the right shoe, and once again in that Sail Fusion Red White Dark Beetroot colorway. And again doing that 360 rotation so you have that full clear view of this women's golf shoe. And again taking those close-up looks and the overall design and construction of this golf shoe. So you can see the mudguard having that smooth finish and then transitioning with that extended wrap to a more textured design. And of course that FlyEase lacing system once again for easy removal and fitment of the shoe. So all the close-up details of this Nike React Ace Tour. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And side by side, from the front to the back. And of course, the back view as well. And the sole or bottom with that dark beetroot blade traction pattern. So that's the Nike React Ace Tour. Thanks for watching and happy golfing!